Hey, how you going, guys? We just received these MAXDUTY X1.2 excavators. It's a new model. It's an evolution of what we had in the past, and the new range includes the 1.2 and the 1.3. It's essentially the same machine, except one has got a Koop engine, the other one's got a Kubota. X1.2 has got a Koop. So let's dive into it. Most of the chassis is exactly the same, so I will invite you to see the video about the X1.3, but we can see, I'll go through a few of the improvements here. So for example, the 1.2 still has the guide there, so that the trucks won't fall off that easily. Everything is nice and shielded there. All the guards are the same. Retractable trucks are the same. Retractable blade is the same. The controls are the same. Let's see what is different. So, first of all, let's open up the hood here. Okay, so the engine obviously is quite different. So this is a Koop, single cylinder. They're very reliable, no problems with those. The pump is the same, so we have a cast pump there. The engine power, it's 7 kilowatt. Okay, then we got the fuel filter down there. Then we have, what do we got? The air filter there, which draws the air straight from outside. This is really good, so that it works on cold air. And that's pretty much it here, really. This is a nice improvement that we had. This is a little roller that is there to protect from rubbing these hoses. Okay, so not only we put protection on the hoses, but we also put the roller there. This way you're not gonna get wear and tear on these hoses. Comes with hydraulic quick couplers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This model is air cooled, but which is okay here in Australia. If you plan on doing long hours, get the Kubota. This is probably a little bit more residential use, but again, plenty of concreters bought air-cooled machines in the past, and we haven't had any major dramas. The refueling is from here, and a couple of people have asked what are these for. This is to lock from accidentally pressing. Okay, and activating the truck's expansion or the boom swing. There you go. Yeah. The seat also lifts off. Again, very easy, just undoing these two, and you get access to the whole top section there. If there's any questions, let us know. We'll try and answer it. And yeah, come and visit us in cloudy Western Australia. So today's a bit cloudy. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.